Hey guys, it's my orchard videos. Well, we finally got the little flail mower, and I found out that the quick attach doesn't work on it. Well, it would, but I have to modify it. I need to modify the pins. Like these shanks here stick out too much, so I can't get the quick attach on there, or I'm going to modify these ears here. So the quick attach is going to work on some things and some things not, but just the way the stuff is made. It's made just to use the regular 3-point hitch. But I think we'll get things modified eventually, and so we can do a quick attach on this thing when we need it. So, I don't know. Maybe a guy needs to widen out these brackets here a little bit to accept the quick attach, and go from there. You just have to modify it and see what a guy can do, but it wouldn't fit, so I had to go back to 3-point hitch. Man, now I got to shorten the shaft on it, but this is a Petco, little dinky thing. I mean, it looks built pretty well. I mean, it's built out of good 1/4-inch metal. It is what it is. So I don't know. We'll have to see its performance. I mean, built pretty good, but I think it is Chinesium. So I don't know. My neighbors over here, my new neighbors, were gawking at me like they're ready to steal it, because it fits. I think this will fit perfectly in the grape rows. So I have to be really careful with this thing here, because these guys will rip it. So it's a very handy piece of machinery, and people might figure, oh, this guy has lots of equipment. He's not gonna miss one piece of equipment. So you just never know. You can't trust anybody, right? So I was going to adjust the roller, but I think the roller is on the floor if you want. So we don't have to really adjust anything. It's kind of adjusted from factory. So So try it out and see what happens, right? I have a little bit of flail mowing to do around here and stuff, and this is going to come in real handy. So yeah, so we'll have to see how it goes. That's all we can do. Anyways, guys, it's fucking cooking in here. I need to get out of here. So, alright, well, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.